took oath as the MP inside the Lok Sabha. You see protests that began outside the parliament with opposition leaders who have the numbers.
नमस्कार। एक सेकंड रोक लो, एक सेकंड रोक लो। हाँ। सर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी आज आप लोगों को सब विपक्ष क्योंकि देखिए जो आक्रमण प्रधानमंत्री जी अमित शाह जी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर संविधान पे कर रहे हैं वो हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, वो हम होने नहीं देंगे। इसीलिए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओथ लेते हुए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पकड़ा था। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। हमारा संदेश जा रहा है, हिंदुस्तान के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कोई शक्ति नहीं छू सकती है। धन्यवाद। ये देखिए प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कल काला दिवस।
They're speaking right after Prime Minister Modi took a sharp jibe at the emergency era under Indira Gandhi, saying the constitution will be protected. Never ever will that period be allowed to repeat, at least under his watch. Prime Minister Modi saying in that first attack against the Congress party that today, in fact, is a day, 25th of June. It's just a day prior that he's made this comment, but 25th of June, that's tomorrow, marks 50 years of the emergency period. He won't let that dark period in history come back again. Constitution will be protected, while Prime Minister Modi says that you have opposition out in protest with the Constitution book in their hand and slamming the Modi government, calling his period of governance as undeclared emergency. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on that. Aishwarya, go on. Rahul Gandhi has just spoken. But in the meanwhile, we heard Prime Minister Modi starting off evoking 50 years of emergency period, saying the Constitution will be protected. Never in history ever, or at least never in the future, will history be repeated.
क्योंकि देखिए जो आक्रमण प्रधानमंत्री जी अमित शाह जी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर संविधान पे कर रहे हैं वो हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, वो हम होने नहीं देंगे। इसीलिए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओथ लेते हुए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पकड़ा था। धन्यवाद। आपको लगता है आपका संदेश जाएगा? हमारा संदेश जा रहा है, हिंदुस्तान के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कोई शक्ति नहीं छू सकती है। धन्यवाद। कि कल काला दिवस है, कल इमरजेंसी की बात की कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कल काला दिवस। चलिए
All right, that's Rahul Gandhi holding the Constitution in his hand, saying no one can touch the Constitution. We will protect it with all our might. Remember, this is the renewed vigor and energy shown by the opposition parties. They have the numbers. They've come together as one unit. The India Bloc Alliance, at least seemingly, we see today, considering they've come together in protest, have remained strong even after the NDA taking over, the ministers taking oath, the NDA basically forming the government. You have the India Bloc still united. Seemingly, this is the first day of the special session. Let me cut across to Mallikarjun Kharge, the opposition leader, who responds to Prime Minister Modi evoking the emergency period.
100 बार यही बात बोलेंगे और इमरजेंसी के 50 साल हो रहे बोले तो तुम इमरजेंसी से विदाउट डिक्लेयरिंग इमरजेंसी यू आर डूइंग इट। इसीलिए हर बार वही बात बोल के आप कितने दिन ऐसा ही अपनी हुकूमत करना चाहते हैं।
Right, well, the 18th Lok Sabha has commenced. First session of the parliament has begun. And we see the BJP Congress, basically the NDA and the India Bloc locking horns right on the first day, while all the cabinet ministers, the MPs rather, all of them have taken oaths in the Lok Sabha today, assuming office. They've begun the first session of the special session of parliament. You have a sharp jibe coming from Prime Minister Modi, evoking 50 years of the emergency period, saying that dark history will never be repeated, at least not under his watch. And while he says that, Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition, says Modi's era is basically undeclared emergency. We're anticipating a lot of ruckus inside the parliament as well. We know this is the first session, so expect issues of NEET, price rise, unemployment to be brought up in the parliament. Will there be a comprehensive discussion, or will this just be a show of chaos? We have more reactions coming in. Let's cut across.
There was an incident in Tamil Nadu. Almost 58 persons are died. Among more than 35 persons are Dalits or SC/ST people. They died in there. But they are speaking here. They are taking the constitution. But where is the Indi bloc? The DMK government is ruling in Tamil Nadu. Even Stalin are not visited. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu not visited that spot still. And even Mallikarjuna Kharge or even Rahul Gandhi, they didn't open their mouth. They didn't express them condolence also, or they didn't express them condemnation also. They don't have any right, or they don't have to talk about the constitution. I appeal to opposition. You come forward. You participate in your valuable debates, and you cooperate the House to smooth run of the Parliament for the welfare of the जनता।
एक चीज जो आज उन्होंने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कही कि 50 साल पहले आज 25 जून को जो हुआ था वो लोकतंत्र का एक काला डब्बा है, उसको आप किस तरह देखते हैं?
लोकतंत्र का काला डब्बा 50 साल हो गए भाई। नीत बच्चों का उम्र गुजर जा रही है, इसका कुछ करिए। और हम जिंदा रह रहे हैं आज के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में। हम रोज का इमरजेंसी देख रहे हैं बीजेपी के सरकार में।
जो आरोप आप पे लगा इमरजेंसी को लेकर जो बात कही, उन्होंने कहा कि दोबारा ऐसा ना हो, इसके लिए प्रतिबद्ध।
अच्छा, दोबारा वैसा ना हो, दोबारा ऐसा ना हो कि हाउस में से आप लोगों को उठा के बाहर फेंक दें। वो कौन सी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट से करे हैं, ये समझाइए ना। ये सब छोड़ दीजिए।
Constitution matters and Constitution is the everything for us, and we want the government to be remind, and Mr. Modi and Amit Shah not to be anti-constitution and not try to change the constitution.
Let me cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on that. Aishwarya, we're seeing images that show opposition leaders with this renewed vigor holding the book, the constitution in their hands and saying Modi's era is undeclared emergency. This attack comes right after Modi evokes 50 years of Indira Gandhi's emergency period, saying he'll never allow the dark age to repeat.
Well, Nabila, let me tell you, one thing is for sure that we will see that the parliament session might actually become an extension of what we saw when the campaigning was taking place. On one side, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who early morning said that it's been 50 years of the emergency which was imposed by the Congress party. Very quick to hit back was the Congress party president Mallikarjuna Kharge. In fact, Rahul Gandhi also spoke just a short while ago about the constitution. Yes, speaking about the constitution, Nabila, because the constitution actually became a big issue with regards to 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The opposition in many ways was actually able to tell the common man that if the NDA, the BJP gets a sweeping majority, they'll change the constitution of the country. With regards to that, we will see that this is the strategy that the opposition will be following, and we will see the opposition continue to talk about the issues of the common man and the constitution. Nabila.
All right. Aishwarya, stay with us. This is the 18th Lok Sabha that's commenced its first session today. Prime Minister, along with the other newly elected MPs, have taken oath today. And while they did so, we saw these protests ensuing right outside.